Now I would like to explain 11th experiment graphical using interface using Swing. Design a Java Swing GUI application for the login functionality as per the sample design given below. First we import first we import swing library.java.avat.event for configuring a button in instantiate JFrame, giving window frame name as login page. To get a window frame, create a label called username by instantiating label class JLabel class. Add a text field beside user given by initiating JT initiating JTest JTest field class. Create a label called password. Add field beside password by initiating JPassword field class. Create a button called login. Add all labels buttons. Add all label buttons references to the frame using add method. Override action preference event method of action listener. Get the text from the text field using getText method. Compare the text from the two fields with Karunya. If the true, call the show message dialog method of J option pan class with message login successful. Else call the show message dialog method of J option pan class with message login field. Add the default close operator using set default close operation method of JFrame class. Pass true to set visible method of the JFrame. Then it stop the program. Second program, create a Java application to design a simple calculator as given below. First we import Swing library, Java abstract window tool, java.event for configuring a button. Next, instantiate JFrame giving window frame name as calculator to get a window frame. Add all the labels with create basic calculator by instantiating JLabel class. Set the font style and font color using set font and set foreground color methods of JLabel class. Add another label with text number 1 beside the label. Add a text field by instantiating text field class. Add another label with the number 2 based on label. Add the text field by instantiating JF text field class. Instantiate JButton class to create care care button. Override the action performance action using getText method to text the field class. Get the user entered values from the text. If the button one clicked, perform addition operation and set the empty text of the label to result using set text method of label class. Pass through the set visible method of the JFrame. Add all the labels and buttons references to the frame using add method of the JFrame class. Then it stops the program. And the third program, to create Java application to design a graphical user interface, universal interface for student information system applications. Import Swing library Java.abstract window toolkit Java Avact event for configuring a button. Instantiate JFrame window frame name as student profile to get a window frame. Add a label by instantiating JLabel class and give label text as student information system. Set font and color of the above label using set font, set foreground methods and JLabel class, add another label with text name beside the label, add a text field by instantiating JText class, and beside the label add two radio buttons, male female, by instantiating JRadio buttons. Instantiating J beside that label, add a combo box by instantiating JCombo box. Beside the label, checkboxes with the text Java, C, Java, C++, Python, JavaScript. Add another button with text submit. Override action, perform action event method of the action listener interface using an anonymous class. One of the abilities clicked the action performed method will be implicitly called in this use get selected item method of combo box. And combo box use show message dialog method, jo j option pan class, and print all the enter text and selected values in the separate dialog box, then stops